Hi everyone, this is Andy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make some really easy and delicious teriyaki baby back ribs. I hope you like them. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of teriyaki sauce with 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. To this, we will also add in the minced garlic together with the minced ginger. Stir well until combined and then just set aside for a minute. Now over here I have the ribs. We will place them in a baking dish and I'm going to be marinating them and cooking them in the same dish. We're going to brush the ribs with sesame oil. Make sure to brush them with plenty of oil. And then after that, season them with salt to taste and also black pepper to taste. And I will also add about 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. The red pepper is to taste. Feel free to add less or more according to your liking. So make sure the ribs are really well seasoned on one side. Then flip them around and repeat. So we're going to brush them on the second side with sesame oil. Then season with salt, black pepper, and crushed red pepper to taste. After you season the ribs, now we're going to pour some of the teriyaki sauce all over them. And we're going to brush the sauce really well on the ribs. And the reason why I added more ingredients to the pre-made teriyaki sauce was to make it richer and more flavorful. Sometimes the teriyaki sauce that you get in a bottle from a store, it tends to be really good for dipping but not so good for marinating. It's kind of bland. So by adding a few more ingredients, you're making it stronger and more flavorful. That means the meat will be more delicious and really well seasoned. So remember, we're going to brush the sauce really well all over the ribs. Make sure to rub it really well so the marinade will start to impregnate the meat with all this flavor. And then after that, after the ribs are really well seasoned with the marinade, now we're going to pour the rest of the marinade all over the ribs. Now we're going to cover this with aluminum foil and we're going to marinate them for at least 1 hour. If you have more time, feel free to marinate them for a longer time. Overnight will be perfect. The longer you marinate them, the better they will be. So after you marinate the ribs for at least 1 hour, now we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I marinated my ribs overnight. This is how they look. Like I said, if you don't have time, feel free to marinate them for only 1 hour. They will still be delicious, but the longer you marinate them, the more flavorful they will become. So before you put them in the oven, we're going to brush them once again with the liquid, the same liquid they had been marinating. Brush them on all sides, and then we're going to pour 1 cup of water into the baking dish. Now we're going to cover the baking dish again with aluminum foil, and we're going to cook the ribs at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. 1 hour straight, no picking, no turning, no brushing, just cook them for 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After an hour, this is how they look. Now we're going to brush them again with its own cooking liquid on all sides. Or if you have any leftover teriyaki sauce, you can brush them with that instead. And then after that, now we're going to place them back in the oven without the foil. We're going to leave them on cover and we're going to cook them for another 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, this is how they look. As you can see, they are getting a nice color. Now we're going to set the oven temperature at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to brush the ribs again with its own cooking liquid. Then flip them around so the other side will also get nice and brown. And then we're going to place them back in the oven for another 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how they look. Now we're going to brush them again with its own cooking liquid, and as you can see, the color is perfect on all sides, but they are not as tender as I want them to be. So I'm going to cover them again with aluminum foil, and then I'm going to place them back in the oven, and I'll continue to cook them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how they look. Now they should be really tender. Now they are perfect. I'm going to brush them again with whatever is left in the baking dish. It will be really sticky and delicious. And then I'm going to be using a small knife to separate the ribs. And then after that, you can serve them right away. You can decorate your plate with some broccoli and sprinkle the ribs with some sesame seeds and also garnish with some green onions. And you can serve them with teriyaki sauce if you want. I will be serving my ribs with a Chinese style rice, and I'll be showing you how to make that rice on my next video. So stay tuned. This meal is so delicious. I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!